Every major AI system right now is quietly adopting this one protocol. And if you haven't heard of Model Context Protocol yet, you are already behind. Today, I'm going to explain it in a very simple and efficient way so that even your non-technical friend will get it. So imagine this. You walk into a pizza restaurant. You sit down, you are starving. You look at the menu. Perfect. You know exactly what you want. A large pizza, garlic bread, and a Diet Coke. You call the waiter over. You give your order, and then the waiter walks directly into the kitchen, grabs the ingredient himself, personally bakes your pizza, pours your drink, and brings it all out. That's his whole job. He doesn't just take the order, he does everything, start to finish. Now imagine a second restaurant. Same menu, but there, the waiter takes your order, passes it to the kitchen, the bartender makes your drink, the chef bakes your pizza. Everyone has one job. Everyone speaks the same language. The system just works. Now, you tell me, which restaurant is gonna scale? Which one is gonna survive a Friday night rush? Obviously, restaurant B. And here's the thing. This is exactly the problem that MCP solves for AI. Here's the situation with AI today. We have these incredibly powerful AI models, Claude, GPT, Gemini, whatever you use. And we want them to do things, not just generate answers for us. We want AI systems nowadays to perform tasks for me. Writing emails, reading my files and summarizing, booking my flight tickets, and so on. Pull data from database, run some code, the list goes on. And individually, yes, developers can hook this up. Now for AI systems to perform tasks for us, it needs to access different tools. Every single tool needs a custom integration. Gmail needs one approach, Google Drive needs another, Slack needs another, and Notion another. Each one has its own API, its own authentication method, its own data format, its own error handling. A developer building one AI agent might write 5, 10, 15 complete different integrations from scratch every time. Imagine when you build AI systems, you have to write these custom integrations each and every time. This is the exact problem which existed till 2024. And this is why in 2024 Anthropic said enough. There has to be a better way, and they built MCP. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. You know USB, the little port on your laptop? Before USB existed, every device, your keyboard, mouse, printer, had completely different connectors. It was a nightmare. Then someone said, let's create one standard port that works with everything. Plug anything, it just works. USB changed the world. MCP is USB, but for AI, it's universal standard that lets AI model plug into any tool, any data source, any services without anyone writing custom code for each connection. Write the MCP integration once, works everywhere. And you know the best part? It's open standard. Anthropic published it, but it's not locked to Anthropic. Any AI model can use it. Any tool can support it. It belongs to the whole AI ecosystem. Okay, so let's go back to our restaurant, because this analogy is going to carry us all the way through. In the MCP world, there are three roles: the customer, the waiter, and the kitchen or the chefs. The customer is your AI model. It's hungry. It wants some information. It wants to take actions. It places an order, such as draft an email, read my files, book my meetings. The waiter here is your MCP client. It's the middleman. It takes the order from AI, understands it, and passes it on the right format. It handles the back and forth. And the kitchen? It's MCP server. It is the actual place where actual work happens. There's a different kitchen for every tool. A Gmail kitchen, a Google Drive kitchen, a database kitchen. Each one knows how to do the job perfectly. And they all speak the same language, which is MCP. And what can these MCP servers actually offer? Three things. First, tools. These are actions like search the web, send an email, run some code. The second is resources, like the data which you want to read or some files which you want to go through. And the third one is prompts, like pre-built instructions that helps the AI know how to behave. Now, let's stitch the entire workflow together. The AI system, it wants some actions to be performed. So it reaches via MCP client to MCP server. Now, based on the provided tools, resources, and prompts, it gives you a bouquet of elements which it can do for you or the MCP server can perform for you. And based on the task, LLM applies its intelligence and picks up the right tool and the right action. And that's how the overall workflow works. Now for the developers watching, a quick 30 seconds under the hood. Under MCP, messages are sent using something called JSON RPC 2.0. Don't stress about the name, it just means AI and the tools talk to each other in a clean structured format like a very well organized text message. MCP servers can run locally on your machine as well. Great for your own files and code. Or they can be remote in the cloud. Anthropic has official SDKs in Python and in TypeScript. So if you want to build your own MCP server, which I highly recommend trying, the barrier entry is genuinely low. So try that out. So here's what I want you to walk away with. MCP isn't a complicated AI concept. It's just a solution to a real obvious problem. AI needs to use tools to perform activities. Tools all speak different languages. MCP gives them one common language, one common protocol, and that's it. Remember our restaurant analogy? The AI is the hungry customer, MCP is the ordering system, and that means every kitchen understands exactly what you want. Even if you are in France, Spain, Portugal, they all understand the same language. No custom wiring, just results. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have done so, please drop a like and subscribe. It helps more than you think. And tell me in the comments, what tools have you used so far in AI or what AI systems you have built using MCP? I'm genuinely curious. See you in the next video. Stay tuned. Take care. Bye.